Hi, my name is Martin Andreev, and today we'll be talking about Prince2, its applications, and how I might have used it in one of my previous projects. So Prince2 is a project management tool that has been made in 1989 in UK. Since then, it has been used extensively in the projects in the various departments of the UK government. It has become a standard, so to say, for executing projects. Prince2 is a project management tool that can be used for various projects regardless of their scale, the people involved, the type of the project, and everything else. So it consists of four core elements. First are the principles, then are the themes, process, and the project environment. So the principles are the guiding obligations that you have to follow to make sure that the project is really managed using Prince2. Then the next core element are the themes. Those are the aspects that need to be addressed continuously throughout the entire project, from beginning to end. Then come the process. Process are the activities that you have to undertake in order to execute the project and deliver the final goal. I think the biggest benefit of Prince2 is that it gives everybody that's involved in the project clear roles and responsibilities, so everybody knows what he or she has to do and what his or her responsibilities are. And same goes for the other people that are working with you. You know everything about them and what they have to do, so I think that makes the work a lot easier. Then the second thing that I'm going to talk about is how Prince2 can be applied in innovation teams. So let's say I'll do it with an example. Let's say I have a innovation company, and then I have like five people working for me, and then we have 3 projects. But then these 3 projects are like, the first one would be for designing a bottle, drinking bottle for sports, and then the next project could be for creating a package, food package. Then the third project could be for creating goggles, and then Prince2 provides, like, these projects are all different in their own. I mean, you have to take different steps to deliver the final result that your client wants from you. But then Prince2 provides a set of like the project manager. It provides a structured way that you can undergo all these different projects, but you use the same tools. The only thing is that you can maneuver, you can change the Prince2 in your own way, in according to the project. So like, all the people that will be working on the projects will have the same tools for working, but would use them differently for the different projects. And I think that's the most useful about Prince2, that you can just adjust it according to your project. And that's like the most useful thing in innovation, because in innovation projects, because the innovation projects are all different in their own, because you have to think of something new, and also the project changes very rapidly during the way. So at one point you might think that you create something, but then it will just turn out to be entirely different thing. So you have to be always prepared for changes. And then comes the how Prince2 might have helped me in one of my projects. So before, I did a project with a minor food process, food product design. We created a new type of food with a new packaging, and then I worked with people from nutrition and dietetics, from food process technology, and me myself, I'm doing industrial design engineering. So we were people from different field, and then Prince could have helped us by clearly in the beginning setting, okay, I will be doing the design, you guys be doing the development of the food, and then that would have given us a better end result, because then each of us could have focused on their task. But then when we did it, none of us focused on what they're best at, and we didn't say, okay, you'll be doing only this or you'll be doing only that. And then I think that kind of got confused for us, because then you have to do several tasks at once. You have to do the design, you have to do research, you have to prepare the recipe of the food, and you do all those things. And I think the end result would have been better if everybody of us focused on what they're good at. And then I think if we have used the Prince2, then we would have said, okay, I'll be doing only the design, you'll be doing only the recipe, you'll be doing only the production of the food, and so it would have been a better outcome if we have used Prince 2. Thank you for watching.